In Photoshop, you can create all kinds of amazing colour effects using Channels panel. Here's the Channels panel. You can go to the Channels panel and select Red. And if you can't find the Channels panel, it's Window and Channels. So you've got the red one. You can then go to Filter and you can blur, but you'll notice that some of the filters are not available. Really useful one, Blur Gallery. Not available at all. New neural filters, nor is that. So if you want Blur Gallery, how to access it? We'll just go back to the RGB and then go to this menu, and there's an option here, Split Channels. And what that does, it splits it into the red, green and blue. But it makes it grayscale. So let's go Split Channels. Now you've got the red, green and the blue. Well, I'm just going to go for the red first, and then I can go to Filter, and you can go down here to Blur Gallery, and you can go blur, there, past blur. Of course, you could use other ones as well. And I'm just going to apply very quick blur. But you can vary them, obviously. You don't have to use the same blur in each of the channels. So click OK. So you've got that effect. Then you can go to the green, do exactly the same. So Filter, Blur Gallery, and down here to past blur, or use one of the other ones. So again, select one of these points, and you can drag these around and move it up there, and you can add points and distort it. Just added accidentally another blur. Click there and then just drag that. And also you can use these, and that creates even more unusual blurs. You just drag that down or that way. To see that, you need the Edit Blur Shapes to be on. You can also change the speed. And then once you've done that, click OK, and then go to the blue. So in the blue, again, you've got the grey channel. That's all you've got. Again, go to Filter and Blur Gallery and past blur. And I'm just going to add another blur effect. So let's just drag that around that way, drag that. And you can see you can create some really weird distortions. And you can use this with anything, maybe like with text, with images like of cars, fireworks, any sort of lighting effect. You can use all kinds of different blurs. Maybe go around the actual image. Maybe change the various speeds, the taper, all those sort of settings. Just try them out and click OK. So once you've done that, you can now combine it back into a single image. Well, just go here to the Channels panel again, and there, go there, and right side menu, you've got Merge Channels. And you go for RGB 3, click OK, and you've got red, green and blue. These are the names of the various channels. Obviously here, all the files. Click OK, and now you've got your blur effect applied across colour channels, which is really great. Creates all kinds of weird and wonderful designs using this approach. And of course, what you can do, you can go to Image, Adjustments, maybe use Levels and just tweak it slightly. And you can modify. Great thing about this is you can access the red, the green and the blue here independently. So you can just tweak that a little bit like that and click OK. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe, always adding new tutorials all the time to Photoshop, Affinity Photo and many, many others. Bye.